Good morning children. So today we are going to solve more sums on addition. You have learned about addition in your previous class, right? So now we are going to see some problems in addition. So first one, they have given 11 plus 13. Okay, so what we should do first? See, here you have tens and units. So tens and units you will write first. Okay, now here you have 11. 11 is 1 and 1. Now the second number is 13. So 1 and 3. We are writing according to the place value. 3 is the unit and 1 is the 10. Here, now what we are going to do is we are going to add the numbers in the place. First you should add numbers in the unit place, right? So in unit place you have 1 here and 3 here. So 1 in your mind and 3 in your finger. So first number you should keep it on your mind and the second number you should keep it on your finger. Okay, so 1 is here and 3 is on here. So 1 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 1 after 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so next one, here you have tens. In tens place here you have 1 and here you have 1. So 1 in your mind, 1 in your finger. 1 after 2. So what is your answer? 24. Okay. So the second sum is 16 plus 10. Now what you should do? You have to write the place values first, tens and units. Here you have 16, right? So 1 in 10 and 6 in the unit. Here you have 10. So 1 in the tens place and 0 in the unit place. Okay. So now what you should do? You should add numbers in the unit place. So 6 here and 0 here. 6 plus 0 is 6. Any number added with 0 is the same number. So 6 added with 0 will give you 6. 5 added with 0 will give you 5. Okay. Now in the tens place. So here you have 1 and here you have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. Okay. So the third question is, so they have given you 23 plus a box and equal to 35. What they have asked you is to fill this box with numbers so that you will get 35 as the answer. Now write 23. Okay, so tens and units. Here you have a box, so keep it a box here. Now you have 35 here, 3 and 5 here. So if you add 3 with some numbers, you should get 5. So what you should do is, you just keep 3 in your mind. Okay, you tell 3 after 4 and 5 with your finger. So when you have 3 in your mind and if you go next number, then you should give your number along with me. Okay, so 3 in your mind, 3 after 4 and 5. So when you add 2 with 3, you will get 5, right? So in the box you write 2. So one more time I will tell you. Okay, so 3 in your mind and you tell after 3. Okay, along with that you will give your numbers open. Give your fingers open so that how many numbers will give you 5. We want 5. Keep 3 in your mind and 3 after 4 and 5. Okay, so 5 you got when you have 2, right? So 2. Then here you have 2 and here you have box and then 3. So you want 3. So 2 in your mind, 2 after 3, right? So 1. If you add 1 to 2, then you will get 3. Okay, so the answer in your box is 23 plus you got 1, 2 here. 1 is tens. So 1 should be in the first and then 2 you got as unit. So 2 equal to 35. Okay. So the next sum will be 40 plus 33. Okay. So tens and units. So first you have 40. So 4 here and 0 here. And then second you have 33. So 3 here and 3 here. 0 plus 3, as I said, any number added with 0 will give you the same number. If you add 5 with 0, you will get 5. So if you add 0 with 3, then you will get 3. Okay, here you have 4 and next you have 3. So 4 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6 and 7. So the answer is 40 plus 33 is equal to 73. Okay, so the next rest of the sums will be your homework. And then the second one, you have match the following. Match the following is nothing but what they have given is, for example, 7 plus 8 this side and 13 plus 4 this side. And the options they have given is 32, 11 and 7. What you should do is, you should add them first. Okay. So 7 plus 8 you should add. Okay. So 7 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here you should see which option has 15. So this has 15. Then you should mark an arrow to that. Okay. So now here you have 13 plus 14. So what you should do is, you should add them according to the tens and units. First you have 13, right? So 1 here and 3. Here you have 4. So now 3 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the next one, here you have 1 and here you have nothing. So what you do is, you should write 1 as it is. Okay, so it is 17. Then you should mark this arrow to this one. Okay. So the rest of the things you have to match the following. Okay. So the third Roman is the same as before. Okay. So I'll do one sum and the rest will be your homework. So 4, 3 and 1, 4. They have given you straight. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to add them according to their number and the place value. So this is tens and this is unit. Now here you have 3 and here you have 4. 3 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7. Now here you have 4 and here you have 1. So 4 in your mind, 1 in your finger. 4 after 5. So the answer is 54. Okay, likewise there are some 10 sums and one I solved. So rest of the 9 is your homework. So now we are moving on to the next topic, which is magical box. Okay, have you heard of this name, magical box? And what do you mean by magical box? So first one, a magical box is a box that has numbers in them. Okay, maybe 2, 3, whatever number they feel like having. Okay, so if you add the numbers here in the row, you know what is row? This is a row. So for example, 1 row, 2 row and 3 row. And this is a column. 1 column, 2 column and 3 column. So this, if this goes like this, then it is a row. So here you have 1 row, here you have 1 row and here you have 1 row. Okay, so you have 3 rows. And columns, you know, this is 1 column, this is 1 column and this is 1 column. So 3 columns. Okay. So totally you will be having 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this 9 boxes, you can add any column, any row. Okay, this is one row, 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 this row. So we'll call this one as first row, second row and third row. Here also first column, second column, third column. So if you add all the 3 numbers in first column, you will get the same answer as, for example, if you get 9, then if you add the second column, you will get 9. So if you add third column, you will get 9. So if you add any numbers in the column or row, you will get the same answers. Okay, that is what a magical box is. Now they have given us a magical box. Okay, 9, 4, 5 and 2, 10, 7, 8, 3. Okay, this is a magical box and the number is not filled here. Okay, so our job is to fill this number so that it becomes a perfect magical box. Okay, so let's see. For example, you know what is a magical box? No, we'll just check. See, this row is filled and this row is filled. We'll just add them and check whether it is a magical box, and then we'll try and fill this one. Okay, first here you have 9 and here you have 4 and here you have 5. How should you add them? First you should add this 2. 9 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13. And here you have 5. So 13 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 3 is here and 5 is here. See, you got 13, right? So 13, this is tens and this is units. You can write like this and add 13, 3 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 you can write like that. Or else you can add them what you got, 13. 13 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Same answer. Okay, so you got 18 for adding this first row. Now you are going to add the last row. Okay, 7, 8 and 3. So 7 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 plus 3. 15 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 15 after 16, 17 and 18. See, you got the same answers. Okay, now here also you are going to add and get a number as total as 18. Okay, so here you have 2 and here you have a box and here you have 10. First, so the total should be 18. Okay, first what you are going to do is you are going to add 2 and 10. Okay, see, you got 2 plus box plus 10 is equal to 18. Now what are you going to do is you are going to arrange them so that numbers are in one side and the boxes are on other side. So 2 plus 10 plus box is equal to 18. Okay, so now you have 2 plus 10. 2 in your mind, 10 in your finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so here you got 12 plus box is equal to 18. So what are you going to do is, you are going to keep 12 in your mind and then keep on telling numbers after that with your fingers open for each numbers. When you get 18, you are going to stop and count the number of fingers in your hand so that you will get the number here. Okay, so 12 in your mind and you should stop at 18. Okay, so now 12 in your mind, after that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 12 in your mind, 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So how many fingers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here you have to write 6 and the box number is 6. You should write 6 here. Okay, so now if you add the columns also, you will get the same answer, 18. This is a magical box. Okay, so there is one more magical box that is also will fill. So 11, 6, 7, 4, 12, 9, 10, 5. So what you have to do is, you have to add the first row and then compare it with the second one. First you have 11 plus 6 plus 7. So here you have 11 plus 6. 11 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 17 here and then plus 7. 17 in your mind, 7 in your finger. 17 after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay, the answer is 24. So now you have the second row. 4 plus, there is an empty space which we refer as box, and then 12 is equal to 24 because it is a magical box, right? Now you are going to rearrange them. 4 plus 12 plus box will give you 24. So now what are you going to add? You are going to add 4 plus 12. Okay. So now here you have 4 tens and units, and you have 12. So 1 is the 10 and 2 is the units. 2 here you write and 1 here you write. So 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 4 after 5 and 6. Here you have 1 and there is nothing there. Okay, so 1. Now you got 16 plus a box and then equal to 24. Now what are you going to do? You are going to count after 16 so that you will get 24. Okay, 16 in your mind, after that 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many fingers are you have? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 8. Now you should fill that in your magical box. Okay, there is one more magical box, that is your homework. Do your homework and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye.